Hey beautiful butterflies, this is going to be my everyday eyebrow routine. So if you guys want to see how I achieve these eyebrows, then just keep on watching. So first I like to start off by just brushing through my brow hairs, just like that. And sorry if I look down or behind there, I have mirrors right here. So for my brows, I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade, and I'm in the shade Dark Brown. I'm gonna go in with this double-sided Eco Tools brush, and I'm gonna go in with this angled side and just pick up some product. So I like to start right here in the front part of my eyebrow. But I like to work it very lightly and just outline the bottom of my eyebrow. Just like that. I'm gonna go in again, and I'm not gonna go all the way at the beginning, but just right here. And I'm gonna start to outline the top of my eyebrow and fill in the back end of my tail. Now I just like to go over any parts I feel like need it. And I lightly work my way up to the front, barely touching the front with the brush though. Just lightly sweeping over it. Very, very lightly. So you don't want to create like a box in the front of your eyebrow. You don't want that. You want it to be a nice faded gradient. And I don't like my eyebrow to be too much of a defined arch. I like a really natural looking brow. So after I've went in and filled in my eyebrow, outlined it, I like to go in with this Ruby Kiss concealer, and this in the shade Beige. And I just take that on a brush that I got in a little Amazon kit. They're really cheap. If I can find the link, I'll link them down below. But I like to use the angled side, and I just take some concealer on there. I don't go in too heavy with the concealer. I'll just go right underneath the brow. Just clean up those. And I go in with the other side of this brush, and I just blend the concealer out. And just to make sure everything's nice and smooth, I like to just sweep my finger underneath, like that. So then I take a little bit concealer, not as much as the top. I take a little bit concealer and I go to the front of the eyebrow, and I just sweep my brush across like that. And I just repeat this about 3 times. And then I flip it over and go to the other side of the brush, and then I just sweep it over, and then just make sure it's all blended out with my finger. I like to do that because it kind of melts the concealer. So I'm gonna go ahead off camera and finish up this eyebrow, and then I'll come back to you guys. Okay, so that's both the eyebrows done. Now to just finish off, I'm gonna take some of the Wet n Wild highlighting powder in the shade Precious Petals, and I'm just going to sweep this right underneath my brow bone. Just give it a little highlight, a little pop. And there you guys go. This is the finished eyebrow tutorial, eyebrow routine, whatever you want to call it. Like I always say, I'm not a professional, I'm not a beauty guru. I just like makeup and I'm still learning a lot. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Also, if you are subscribed, don't forget to click that little bell icon. When you click that bell, it will notify you every time I post a video, because YouTube just sometimes likes to play games. So just go ahead and click that and you'll be notified. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to spread peace, love, and flutter dust. I will see you all in my next video. Bye, beautiful butterflies.
I love coordination, no filtration.